Good day to all of you. So we'll see the topic that is design of intercultural tools and implement. This topic is inside the farm machinery and design subject. So firstly we'll see the importance of wheel hand hoe in agriculture sector. The wheel hand hoe is widely accepted weeding tool for weeding and interculture of row crops. Second, it is long handle tool operated by push and pull action by using two action, that is pull action and push action used to operate this type of implement. Its name came from general construction of wheel hoe comprised of wheel assembly, tool frame, set of replaceable tool and hand assembly. So here is I have shown two diagrams. Number one is a single time cycle hoe and second one is the three time cycle hoe. But in this chapter we will see the design of single time cycle hoe. So firstly so we'll calculate the power developed by operator when we are operating this single time cycle hoe in agriculture for weeding purpose. That times whatever power is to be generated by operator as well as man can be calculated by using this formula. Number first, Campbell have given this formula to operate the human, that is HP is equal to 0.35 minus 0.092 log t. Okay, in this t is the time in minute section, but in case of person, that is it will be operating this wheel way for 3 to 4 hours, that means for continuous operation of 3 to 4 hours power developed by operator will be 0.10 to 0.30 hp, say 0.1 hp. That means when any woman as well as man operating any implement for long period of time, as time passes its working efficiency is to be decreasing as time by time. So we will calculate it. HP we know the formula, that is push multiplied by speed, push that is kilogram per day and speed meter per second divided by 75. Let the operating speed of machine, that means whatever implement you are operating, that is single time cycle hoe, its speed taken, that is 0.8 meter per second. Next one, putting this value HP multiplied by 75 multiplied by 75 in kilogram per day, so we will get the direct final value 0.5 kg. We know the speed, that is 0.8 meter per second, hence force developed by an average human worker is 0.5 kgf. Next one, these are the cutting plates which is used in cycle hoe for cutting the weed purpose. Number first is the flat blade, number second is the V blade, number third one is the trapezoidal blade. Here is this one is the width of cutting these sections, that means of width is to be, that means working width while cutting the weed. The unit draft of light to medium soil can be taken as 0.35 kg per centimeter square. It's only for light and medium soil. Now different types of furrow cross sectional made by above cutting blades will be shown in figure. In locally available as well as the manufacturers are to be design the flat blade as well as V blade with its different shape. Here is also shown, this one is the W, this one is the height, this is W shape for trapezoidal section. These both are to be same, only their changes is to become width is here is higher and its width is to become lesser one. So average pull and push exerted by operator is 0.5 kilogram. So next one is the size of cutting blade. For flat blades we will be calculate the size of blade for flat blade, V blade and trapezoidal blade. For flat blade, number first, W multiplied by D into unit draft is equal to push or pull in kg. Okay, so we'll put the value of D, that is 2.0, and unit draft, that is for medium to light soil, 0.35. So we'll get the value of W, that is 15 centimeter for flat blade purpose. In case of V blade, W capital W plus W1 divided by 2 into D multiplied by unit draft pull or push can be calculated. So putting the values as well as sometimes on the basis of design we will be assume the value of W1 is equal to 7.5 and D is equal to 2.5. So final equations equating this we will get the value W is equal to 16.5 centimeter. So next one is the trapezoidal blade for pull or push can be calculated by using formula, that is capital W plus W1 divided by 2 into D into unit draft. Putting the values W1 is equal to 4 and D is equal to 3 centimeter. W and D value is be changes as per the given dimension we have taken for designing purpose. So putting this value we will get the equation W is equal to 16 centimeter. Next one is the apex angle or blade angle to theta. See here, this one is the triangular shaped blade in which they have make angle of 20 degree. Sorry, to theta angle they have made it. Apex angle to theta is included angle formed between two cutting edges. This one is the one cutting edge and this one is another one. Right side and left side between this angle is 2 theta. According to Singh have in 1998 proposed the one equation, that is theta is equal to 90 minus psi w. Theta is a apex angle in degrees, that is 20, and psi is the angle of friction between width and cutting edges. That means when consider this one is the width, when we operating this implement as like section, this angle they have given, that is 30 to 56 degree. Okay, so calculate the value. Theta is equal to 36 to 60 degree, 2 theta is equal to 72 degree to 120 degree. So finally we will get the angle for apex angle is 120 degree. Next one is the design of tines. Cutting blade tines should be designed on the basis of maximum bending moment, the push or pull exerted, that is 10.5 kilogram Faraday. Take the factor of safety, this one is the necessity, that is 2. Maximum load, that is 10.5 multiplied by 2, that is 21. We know the impact loading, that is 21 by 2, it should be the double to that of maximum load, and so load taken by each tine. For single tine we will be divided by 2, then we will get the single tine load, that is 21 kgf. See here details of tine. This one is the tines which is used to cut the wood during the operation. This one is the section at AA section. Okay, this one is the B braid, this one is the height H. So this one is the cross sectional area. These are the tines A sections we have taken, that means these sections we have shown here. So this one is the draft from middle of blade to the upper section. Okay, so firstly we will calculate the maximum movement in each tine. For first tine 21 kgf into L. L is equal to 15 centimeter, that is convert it into millimeter, 150 millimeter. Maximum movement in each tine is 21 multiplied by 150. Multiply these both the values, we will get the 3150 kilogram Faraday millimeter. Okay, so next we will calculate the bending stress in tine, that is kilogram per millimeter square. FB is denoted by bending stress here, MCH into divided by I. I is the moment of inertia, H is the distance from neutral axis to point S at which stress is determined. Next one is M is the bending moment in kg per millimeter square. For material use mild steel flat FB, then take the value, that is 30 kg per millimeter square. Next one, putting the all these values, we will get the final equation, that is H is equal to 3B, 3150 2B square. This one is the equations we will be get when putting the all the values, that is I, moment of inertia, bending stress, MS fat, FB. So next one is the design of handle. This one is also important. While operating this cycle hoy in field, we will be operate this hoy with the help of this handle. See here, this is the side view I have shown here. Their dimension is also shown. This one is the wheel which is to be rotating on field while operating purpose. So see, design of a standard lightweight mild steel 27.5 mm outside diameter conduct pipe is used for handle of tool carrier. 27 mm 27.5 mm pipe is used for outside diameter purpose. Next, length of handle can be calculated by using average standing elbow height of female operators as well as the male operators. These parameters are necessary while designing purpose. Average standing elbow height of woman worker is 100 cm. This is also important. Distance of wheel center from operator for operator height is 95 to 105 cm. Therefore, angle of inclination with horizontal, that is 11 theta. Sorry, it angle 11. Next one is the tan theta 11 is equal to 80 by 115. Then final value will get the 0.696 theta h, that is 35 degree. So this is the procedure which is used to design the handle in cycle way.